Subscribe to Spoken English Master to get more videos like this. Hello friends, my name is Kailas and I welcome you all to Spoken English Master. Today we are going to discuss about phrasal verb, that is get. First of all, we have to understand what is phrasal verb. Phrasal verb means when we add any preposition with main verb like get, put, whatever, it carries a different meaning. Okay, we will have some examples to understand it later on. Okay, first of all, today we'll be talking about get phrasal verb. We have to understand if we use it as main verb, what kind of meaning it carries. It can be used mainly as main verb, second causative verb, as well as third phrasal verbs. Mainly today we'll be discussing about phrasal verbs, how to use it properly. But if we use it as main verb, mainly it carries this meaning to have something. Suppose if I say, I have got this pen. मुझे ये पेन मिल चुका है. Okay, means to have something, means to get something. This is the main meaning of get. Get means to have something or to have somebody. Okay, now if we add prepositions with get, it carries different meanings. These things we will be discussing today. First of all, we will see how many phrasal verbs we will be discussing. Let's see. Number 1 is get on. Number 2, get down. Number 3, get at. Number 4, get up. Number 5, get in. Number 6, get off. Number 7, get over. Number 8, get out. Number 9, get rid of. Number 10, get into. We will be dealing with 10 words. These are very important words, and if you want to speak English fluently, you have to memorize these words. Okay, you have to keep these words in your mind if you want to speak English fluently. These are very important words. Okay, so many phrasal verbs are there, but today we have chosen these 10 important phrasal verbs. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we will be talking about get on. We will know what is the meaning of get on. Get on means to enter a vehicle. Okay, train pe charna, bus pe charna. In Hindi we say like that. Okay, let's take an example to understand it. We have to get on the train at 8 p.m. हमें ट्रेन पे चढ़ना है कब 8 बजे. So we have to get on the train at 8 p.m. Get on means to enter a vehicle. Okay, चढ़ना, ट्रेन पे चढ़ना, बस पे चढ़ना. Okay, tram पे चढ़ना, metro पे चढ़ना. Okay, like to get on means to avail any vehicle. I think it is understood by you. Next, get down. इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा? To leave any vehicle. Okay, किसी से उतरना. Like I was getting down from the train. मैं ट्रेन से उतर रहा था. उतरने का जो इंग्लिश है ये get down. Get down means उतर जाना, ट्रेन से, बस से. ओके, किसी व्हीकल से उतरना. टू लीव एनी व्हीकल. आई थिंक इट्स क्लियर. नेक्स्ट वन, गेट एट. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रेजल वर्ब and it is not that much used, but if you know the meaning of this one, I can guarantee you will be able to use it properly. So what is the meaning of get at? To criticize or to insult somebody repeatedly. Means again and again you are insulting someone. किसी को insult करना, criticize करना, जो कि अच्छा बात नहीं है, but still, let's take an example to understand it better. Ram kept getting at me. Again I'm telling, Ram kept getting at me. Ram मुझे insult करता गया. Okay, उस टाइम पे. Get at means repeatedly. If you are insulting someone, if you are criticizing someone, you can use getting. You can use get at. Okay, suppose another example, if I say, I am getting at you. Don't get at me. It was not my fault. Okay, don't get at me means मुझे insult मत करो, मुझे criticize मत करो, ये मेरा fault नहीं था. So don't get at me. Get at means to insult someone. I think you have understood it. Let's see the next meaning. That is get up. Get up, I think it's very easy. You know the meaning of this one. Get up means to stand up or to wake up. Let's take an example. Rohan, get up, we have to go. Means just I am telling, maybe Rohan is my friend, I am telling him to be ready to go somewhere. We have to go somewhere. हमें जाना है कहीं पे भी. So I'm just telling Rohan, get up. We have to go. Or hurry up. We have to go. Like this. Get up means to wake up. Maybe he was sleeping or he was busy in another work. Okay. Sometimes we say like that. Get up means to wake up or to stand up also. Or you can also use in this way. Suppose someone is unmindful. You are telling someone something but he is not concentrating. In that case also you can use get up. How can we use? Suppose I am a teacher, I am teaching you something but you are not concentrating on my words. Okay, so I am just telling, hello, get up means you have to concentrate. Maybe you are unmindful, you are thinking about someone else or about something, but you need to concentrate. So that's why I am telling get up. Okay, means you have to concentrate. Next, get in. Very easy phrasal verb. Get in means to enter a vehicle. Like I have told you, na, get on. Get on mainly is used. What is the difference between get on and get in? We have to understand, because a few minutes earlier I have told you get on means to enter a vehicle, and here also I am telling get in means also to enter a vehicle. So what is the main meaning? Get on means if you are getting on the bus, if you are getting on the train, that time you can use. Okay, or if you are availing bus or train, you can use get on. For a big vehicle like bus, train, tram, metro, like this. But get in we use for like any car, or you can say any room. Suppose let's take two examples to understand it better. Get in the car. कार में घुस जाओ, घुस जाना, किसी कार में घुस जाना और किसी रूम में घुस जाना. ओके, गेट इन लैब वन में घुस जाओ मीन्स सपोज आई विल टेक द क्लास इन लैब वन, few students are there who are waiting outside. Okay, just I am telling them please get in lab 1. Get in lab 1 means lab 1 में घुस जाओ. Okay, so for a small place, okay, it can be a car, okay, or like it can be any room also, you can use this word. Okay, means to enter a room or to enter any vehicle, you can use get in. I think it's clear. Next word, get off. Very important word, get off. To leave any vehicle. Get off means to leave any vehicle. I have told you a few minutes earlier, get down means to leave any vehicle. Get up also carries the same meaning. Okay. Acha. How to use it? Suppose your friend is in the bus. Okay, he is going somewhere by bus. You are telling your friend, you have called your friend and you are telling, Raju, get off the bus. Maybe you have brought any car for him and you will drop him and you are telling him, Raju, get off the bus. Bus se utar jao. Means I have, that means what? You have carried any vehicle with you, or you have a car, okay, for him, you will drop. Okay, or your friend Raju is telling, no, I cannot get off the bus. मैं बस से नहीं उतर सकता हूँ because I don't want to go with you. He can tell you like that. Okay, in this way you can make the conversation longer. Okay, I am giving many examples to you because actually what happens for phrasal verbs, we face so many problems. Actually one phrasal verb can carry several meanings. I am telling only one meaning. It can carry some other meanings also. Okay, if I tell each and every meaning, it can be a confusing thing for you. Okay, so you might get confused. That's why I am not telling all the meanings. I am telling those meanings which are very much useful in your day-to-day life. Okay, if you learn all the things, okay, if you are a beginner, I am telling you to practice these words. Okay, the only way to memorize phrasal verb is to practice and to use these words in your day-to-day life. If you don't use these words in your day-to-day life, I can guarantee you within 1 or 2 weeks you will forget all the meanings. Okay, so main thing is to use it in your day-to-day life. Okay, so let's see the next one, get over. It's also very important and very useful. What is the meaning of get over? Get over means to recover from illness or any kind of bad financial condition. Okay, means छुटकारा पाना. Okay, or to recover करना. Suppose your friend was suffering from fever. Now he has come to you and you are just asking, how are you? He is telling, now I am good. Now I am well. I don't have any problem. I just got over that problem. I just got over that illness. Okay, So get over means to recover from illness or any kind of bad situation or any kind of bad financial condition, whatever. Okay, let's take an example. Somehow I got over that situation. Okay, maybe I had a bad situation in my life earlier. Oh, I have got over that situation. Now I am not facing any problem due to that situation. Now this situation is over. Okay, that is called get over. I think it's clear. Okay, so let's see the next example, that is means next phrasal verb, that is get out. Get out is very easy and you have, I think, heard. Get out means to tell somebody to leave the place. Get out of my room, मेरे घर से निकल जाओ. Okay, और इसका और एक भी मीनिंग होता है. Suppose if I give you another example, like nowadays I am preparing some notes for you, that's why I am not able to get out from my house. Means मैं कहीं पे नहीं जा पा रहा हूँ. Why? Because I am preparing notes for you. Okay, मैं notes prepare कर रहा हूँ, इसीलिए मैं कहीं पे नहीं जा पा रहा हूँ. Get out means निकलना. Okay, means to go somewhere, to enjoy or to do something. Get out. Okay, अच्छा, I think it's clear. Next word that we will learn, that is get rid of. Okay, get rid of means छुटकारा पाना. Okay, किसी से और किसी चीज से. To leave something or somebody that you don't want any longer. Okay, let's take an example. I just want to get rid of that problem. I just want to get rid of that problem. मैं सिर्फ उस जो प्रॉब्लम है, मैं सिर्फ वो प्रॉब्लम से छुटकारा पाना चाहता हूँ. मैं उस प्रॉब्लम से छुटकारा पाना चाहता हूँ. ठीक है, मीन्स आई डोंट वांट दैट प्रॉब्लम इन माई लाइफ. It happens ना. Suppose we face so many problems. Suppose like any exam is coming to you. Okay, like you have exam, you're going to appear that exam. Maybe you are thinking that that exam is very difficult for you. It will be difficult for you to pass the exam. You are just telling your friend, I just want to get rid of that exam. Okay, means you don't want that exam. Okay, तुम छुटकारा पाना चाहते हो उस एग्जाम से. Okay, that time we use get rid of. I think it's clear to you. Again, I am telling, make so many sentences with these words. Okay, if you don't make sentences, you will forget and you will not be able to apply it properly. I have taken just 2 or 3 examples for you, or 1 example for you. Okay, but after watching this video, you have to make so many examples. Another thing that I want to share, we have made so many videos on grammatical rules. If you want to be fluent in English, grammatical rules are very important to learn. If you don't know grammatical rules, you might have to face some problems to speak in English. Okay, so you don't have to go anywhere. You can go to our playlist and you can watch each and every video. So let's see the last phrasal verb for today, that is called get into. Okay, get into का meaning क्या होगा? Get into means to get involved in a work. Okay, or something. Suppose खुद, इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा हिंदी में समझते हैं. खुद को इन्वॉल्व कर देना किसी चीज में, किसी काम में. ओके, सपोज आई एम टेलिंग एन एग्जांपल. आफ्टर रीचिंग मुंबई पहुंचने के बाद आई गॉट इनटू द वर्क. मैं काम में घुस गया. मीन्स मैं खुद को इन्वॉल्व कर दिया किसी काम में. गेट इनटू मीन्स खुद को इन्वॉल्व करना और किसी को, ओके, किसी को इन्वॉल्व करना किसी काम में. Okay, again I am telling another example. After having dinner, I got into my work. Okay, means dinner करने के बाद मैं काम पे लग गया. Means मैं खुद को उस काम पे involve कर दिया. Okay, after having the dinner, I got into my work. Okay, so get into का past form होगा got into. Okay, here I have used past sentence, that's why I have used got into. Okay, you can use it in future also. I will get into. Okay, I am getting into. Okay, it depends what do you want to say exactly. Okay, I think it's clear to you friends. Still, if you have any kind of problem, maybe you can have some problems in your mind. If you have any problem, you can comment below. I'll definitely try to reply. Okay, That's all for today. If you want to watch all our videos, you can go to our playlist and you can watch each and every video, and try to share these videos with your friends, because again and again I tell the same thing, many students are there who are not able to study properly. If you share each and every video, these things will definitely help them out. Okay, so please try to share all the videos, and if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Thanks for watching.